What?
There. That's it right there. And then guess what? There's another two.
Alright. Say what now? Oh yeah.
That's not on there all the way.
Yeah, it was.
It's also very crooked. But you still have a screw over here and here that the radiator is going to be blocking. Oh, you're just going to take the fan off?
Remember, when you're trying to get around Osco, just get the fans off. So you can make it furniture streaming. And that will be used in my court case. I swear he tried to deboogly my wiggle. Like, no, I did not. Well, you remember this one video you made before you started streaming making computer? You said you were getting fans off. I'm like, oh shit. You're right.
I can crack my neck again.